Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to enable or disable automatic hyperlinks in Excel. Type 1 sample URL. The typed URL is hyperlinked. Click the URL. The particular URL is opened with default browser. Now I am going to disable the automatic hyperlinks options in Excel. Click File, Options. Click Proofing. Click Autocorrect Options. Click Auto Format as you type. Uncheck Internet and Network Path with hyperlinks. Click OK. Click OK. Now type the sample URL. Hyperlink is disabled. Now I am going to re-enable the hyperlinks. Check the internet and network paths with hyperlinks. Automatic hyperlink is re-enabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.